Hello, my name is Owen Doak. I'm a social science teacher at Maine West High School in Des Plaines, Illinois. And I've created a couple of lessons this summer using the Library of Congress website. A second lesson that I've created is called The Soldiers' Experiences of War, with a special focus on the Vietnam War. It's an incredible database that the Library of Congress has, with video and audio clips of veterans speaking honestly and openly about their experiences in war. I think kids are naturally interested in, I think even the Vietnam War specifically. It's something that a lot of their maybe fathers or uncles or even grandfathers, for some of them, were involved in. And they're curious about it, and they're curious about war. Of course, we have two wars going on right now, and students, they have relatives that are fighting perhaps in Iraq and Afghanistan. And the focus of this lesson is simply to help students understand the impact of war. It doesn't get into the politics of the Vietnam War. That's for other days. This specifically just says, here's the veteran, here's what they experienced, here's what war was like for them. An essential question for this lesson could be, how does the experience of war in the 20th century change young women and young men? That question goes beyond the Vietnam experience, but so does the Library of Congress website. There's a whole lot of World War II veterans speaking on video camera or audio tape about their experiences in war, and I just think it's an incredible collection of sources. This lesson specifically exclusively uses the Library of Congress website, and the first part of it focuses on disabled veterans. And students click on the website, and they can really just explore and choose which person they want to listen to. And then it's just a question of listening with headphones, perhaps in a computer lab, and then writing down what they've learned 3 or 4 times. I did include 2 more famous veterans. In addition to just ordinary American veterans, they can learn about Max Cleland and John McCain, 2 individuals that, well, students certainly have heard of John McCain. But those are two veterans who are more famous than others. But it includes their experiences and how the war affected or changed their lives. And included with John McCain is the question of, well, what did you learn about the experience of being a prisoner of war? Because that was very much a part of his experience of the Vietnam War. Again, I just think students are interested in it. They like to hear from first-hand accounts. And this is very, very accessible. Not as difficult as perhaps a primary source is from a previous century.